Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to teach you how to how to make your YouTube videos like a pro/boss. Let's get right into it. Okay, so this is for Android devices. Well, anything that's a device that's not a laptop, computer, desktop, anything like that. Just a phone. So this works for phone. I also want you to hit that subscribe button actually no, don't break your phone, but hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's get right into this video. Okay, step 1. You are going to want to make your videos sideways. When you're making your YouTube videos on your camera, you want to hold your phone sideways, not the way I'm holding it right now. But I'm editing it with iMovie, so I'm using voice right now. And I'm editing pictures into it. Anyway, step 2. You want to have very good silence. You want to go somewhere where it's quiet, no one's bothering you, or no one can interrupt you while you're in the middle. If you're gonna make like a 1 hour video and you're like at the end and then someone interrupts you, you're mad because everything is now ruined. I'm not saying you gotta start over, but I'm sorry. You also want to go somewhere with good lighting, like next to a window. If you are next to a window, you want to also find a very good angle to put it at. Also, third step. Here's a little tip. This third step is mostly a tip. Well, actually, all of these are tips, I'm pretty sure. But anyway, you mostly probably want to record your video with the backside of your phone. It has better quality, or better. You can see it better. I should say that. If you use the camera on the front of your phone, I'm not saying it won't work, but it might be worse. Might. Depends on what the video quality is. Anyway, those are the... Wait, how many steps did I just do? Oh my goodness. Anyway, this is the end of my video. If you want more tips, then say in the comment section, and I'll be back to you. I don't know when, but I will. Peace out. I'm out. Stay cool, not cruel. Peace. It's not that cool, guys.